These Microbe Whisperer cards were created by me, a microbiologist and practitioner of earth-based magic, to provide guidance to you in sacred quests and ceremony that focus on the healing of our planet. You are most likely familiar with the animal medicine guides. Animal medicine guides come from indigenous traditions of the Americas as well as other ancient traditions around the globe. They rely on our attunement to Mother Earth, our synchronicity with the natural cycles of the season, of the moon and stars, the motions of planets around her. Science can be receptive to the natural wisdom of plants and animals and allows us to converse with them from our spirits and our hearts. To achieve a harmonious balance between the spirit and the scientific during my own graduate studies in environmental microbiology, I sought support from various spiritual communities and found indigenous elders who taught me how to undertake the sacred journey to what is known as the lower world. In the lower world, I learned that each animal spiritual guide provides lessons defined by their nature, as their incarnated versions trot, glide, swim, and slither upon Mother Earth. In communing with these animal guides, I realized that it's easy for us to appreciate the majesty of the lion, the playfulness of the otter, and the exuberance of the dolphin as it arcs over the sea, because these animals are large enough for us to observe with the unaided eye. But microbes and the lessons that they offer are much more difficult to observe by a non-specialist and without a microscope. A microbiologist has the proper tools to observe microbes and the training to understand and appreciate their colors, shapes, and sizes. While I worked with these microbes and I learned about their unique natures, I realized that these tiny creatures have much to teach us as microbial guides in the world of spirit. This divination deck, unique art on 44 types of microbes with 4 different suits, provides the names of the microbes that keep the soil and water in our global environment clean. When you do ritual, you can use these names for a stronger physiological and magical connection between us and our microbial teachers and guides. By learning their names and what they are about, we can call upon our microbial animal guides and their wisdom so that we can become allies in healing and nurturing our shared planetary environment as it undergoes inevitable changes that make biological flexibility by all organisms essential if we are to survive these major alterations. Thank you for taking a look to learn what it takes to become a Microbe Whisperer too.